Hey guys, welcome to the Agile Scrum Master Workshop. My name is Tanmay Panchal and I am the Agile Scrum Master Professional. I have over 22 years of project management experience in the IT sector, the public sector and as an entrepreneur. What is important for you that I have over 15 years of experience in exam preparation coaching. I have well experience in transforming more than 20 companies for Agile Scrum. So I would like to welcome you and learn the Agile Scrum Master workshop with me and get the knowledge to appear into the certification exam. So welcome guys and thank you very much for subscribing this course.